Welcome, friends. Effective curriculum delivery. Curriculum is the total number of teaching hours during that semester for that subject. Total number of weekly hours. Marks earmarked for that subject for the end semester examination. Marks for the internal test. Duration of the end semester examination. Duration for the internal test. Syllabus. This whole thing is said to be curriculum. After reopening of the institution, after the work distribution, college will be preparing the timetable and accordingly teachers will start teaching. They should have a clear idea about the curriculum of that subject which they are going to teach. University curriculum they have to go through. Is the same curriculum is continued or is there any change during that academic year, during that semester? That needs to be updated, if required, upgraded. Once the curriculum is clear, then one has to prepare the teaching plan. How to prepare the teaching plan? You take total number of hours for that subject during that semester. To that you add 4. Then that sum is to be divided by total number of months during that semester. Then whatever we are getting, that becomes a syllabus to be taught per month. Now we have divided the syllabus monthly. Then you will be starting the teaching. Then inform this monthly divided syllabus to the students. Students are to be informed what we are going to teach during that particular semester. Whatever you are getting 3 months or 4 months, all 4 months syllabus, divided syllabus is to be notified by the notice board or displayed in the website or by any other means. You may also use the social media for intimating this one to the students. Then we have to inform the students 1 or 2 days before engaging the class what we are going to teach in that class. And now this becomes the monthly division of the curriculum and also weekly division of the curriculum. This is the teaching plan. Whatever we are dividing month-wise, whatever we are teaching weekly, whatever we are informing to the students, that becomes a teaching plan. One has to prepare teaching plan which is necessary for the effective curriculum delivery. Then we have to follow this one for effective delivery. We have to follow the teaching plan. As I have told you, 1 or 2 days before what we are going to teach in that class, what we are going to do in that class. Is there any interaction during that class? Is there any question answer discussion? What exactly we are going to teach in that class, that is to be informed 1 or 2 days before the class. Then that helps students to come prepared. In the beginning it may not happen, but if we start this practice, in future, after a couple of months, students come with a little preparation. At least some of the students will go through the syllabus, go through the curriculum and come with a little preparation. They may come with the questions also, which they have not understood. And we have to teach accordingly. So, if we follow this one, definitely effective curriculum delivery takes place there. We can complete the curriculum, we can complete the syllabus of that subject systematically and also effectively. In between, if there are any holidays due to the unforeseen, they are to be engaged during the vacation, during holidays itself, I can say, on Sunday, or during the college hours, whenever the time is available, whenever during which the students are free during the working hours itself. And that also helps in effective delivery. Of course, all these things you know, but even then I am telling, even then I am posting my videos because this is for upgradation of the freshers and for updating the young faculty and for refreshing the senior faculty. Hope you will take advantage of this one and you will follow this kind of effective curriculum delivery. Have a good day. Thank you very much.